Guys, welcome back. We're at a Cars and Coffee in my hometown, and I haven't been to this one in a while, so we hopefully get some good burnouts today. I want to interview the owner of this car because it was on the last show I did. I love it, so hopefully get to interview him, and you know, let's have some fun. That's what we're here for. Be right back. Original Cobra. So it's either this or two Ferrari 488s. What'll it be, guys? What'll it be? Guys, I don't do modern very often, but love Z06s. A little FiTech. Datsun. Hey guys, I'm here with Steve, who's got this eye-popping El Camino that you might have seen in the last video where he did the Embarcadero Park show. I got him wrangled here now at the Cars and Coffee in Kearney Mesa. So, Steve, I gotta let you get carried away with me here and tell the guys, tell the girls, what did you get your hands on here? This thing is badass.
This is a 1971 Super Sport El Camino. And honestly, I told Mike, I'm an honest guy, I bought it like this. So it was
awesome.
It was built in 2008, and it was dumb luck.
Yeah.
I was in the right place, the right time, and
it's beautiful.
No,
it's
the car found me, I should say.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
So why don't we start with what's obvious here?
Okay.
What's going on with this power plant?
Oh, the big 454.
Yeah. Okay.
All old school.
You got a serpentine belt on there.
Yeah, got the double serpentine belt.
Yeah.
The big coolant tank, the double fans.
Headers.
Yes,
What,
headers.
do you know the power output?
No, I don't.
Okay. So that's your next project. Get a dyno, get on the dyno.
Right.
You got carbureted.
I'm just going through chasing all the gremlins.
Yep. Still carbureted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Got the Wildwood brakes with the booster pump.
Yes, nice. Perfect.
Got the 19-inch rims on the front, 20s on the rear.
And suspension, you have Heights control bar. You see down there.
Yeah, it's all Hotchkiss suspension.
Oh, Hotchkiss, sorry. Hotchkiss, guys.
Yeah, Hotchkiss.
Sorry. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm freezing. I haven't had enough coffee yet. All right, so yeah, let's go back here. What we got for transmission?
The transmission is a R204.
Oh my God, those gauges, dude.
Oh yeah.
I love them.
Yeah, all the interior is all custom.
Holy hell. I didn't realize it the last time I shot your car. Wow, I love them.
Thank you.
They're all matching. They look like they've been here.
Yeah, the B&M shifter.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber steering wheel.
Yeah. A Rhino liner bed with the SS454 in it.
Yeah, the Rhino liner, it's been done by Linex.
Oh my God. That's fantastic, bro.
And then
what about
paint.
the exhaust? We got the exhaust.
You know, I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get under there. I'm just kidding. I'm not getting into. So, okay, the last thing we have to tell the guys. Okay. The paint, like you just said, the paint is popping.
Well, everybody says it's a candy apple, and the name of it is actually Hellfire Red Pearl.
Hellfire. Yes. Yes. Did we talk about brakes? I don't remember.
Yeah, it's the Wheelwood brakes.
Wheelwood brakes, okay. 13s, front and rear, can't tell, yeah. Yeah, it's badass. Foose wheels.
Thank you, yes.
Yeah. Wow. So, Steve, thanks so much, man.
Oh man, Mike, appreciate you.
I love this build, especially the paint. The paint is ridiculous. But man, thanks so much. I can't wait to see you at the next show.
Oh,
man.
thanks. Appreciate you,
so
Mike.
much.
Hey, thanks for having me, bro.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate
so
you.
awesome.
And hey, I'm gonna keep following you. Love that GTO, bro.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Definitely.
All right, let's get to the next car and see what's up.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Yeah, there you go. Bodywork is immaculate. Look at that. my channel, my friend. Oh, man, that was a ton of smoke and so much fun. Well, I've never filmed a burnout thing like that before and put on the channel. This is the first time. So you guys, let me know your opinion. What angles you like the most? What cars you like the most? And better yet, guess what that last car was, that black one. So go back in the video, check it out again. Guess. If you get it right, 10 bonus points. Leave a comment below. Let me know your favorite burnout. Again, if you like some really cool angles I was taking, let me know what your favorite was. Leave your opinion, as long as it's positive. But special thanks to Steve and his El Camino. That was awesome. Had a great time spending time with your Mustang friends as well. And Pete with the Datsun. He actually pulled me aside, said, "Hey, Mike, I thought that was you. I watch your channel." He's an FMG family member. He's working on a Chevelle too. So follow him. His Instagram's below. But had a great time, and I had an epic fail. The fail was I ran out of memory on my camera because the GTO was popping in the sun. When the sunlight hits it just right, it is bright green. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is. What a fail. So anyway, other things that are new. I told you guys last episode I was going to take some time off to do some house projects. I didn't get any done yet. I went to that Cars and Coffee. But I started an Amazon store with all the things I use in the shop, all the parts I use in the car. Go check it out, links below. I made a little percentage on all those sales. Might help the channel out, who knows. I'm also getting hats in. Next week I should have a nice inventory of black, gray, red. I'll start an Etsy account to get those shipped out to you guys, whoever wants one. And gosh, now it's time to take some time off. So Merry Christmas to you guys. Happy holidays. Have a great new year. Spend time with family. And I will see you next year. Building fast, driving faster. See ya.